Greetings, this is Mark Weithorn here, your real estate trainer with your 2-minute tech tip. This video is step 4 on how to start making money as a realtor. Today, we're going to talk about your daily routine. As a realtor, you are an independent contractor. You will not be reporting to an office and clocking in at 9 o'clock. You are in business for yourself. Therefore, you must train yourself to have a daily routine, to be regimented. You do not want to find yourself in the middle of the day sitting around in your pajamas and your bunny slippers. Step 1, be ready for work at 9 o'clock. Have had your breakfast, showered, hair, makeup, so in a moment's notice, you can be ready to get out the door. Now, before 10 o'clock, I call this quiet time. Take care of your emails, posting on social media, and any other online tasks. At 10 o'clock, start calling people, set up appointments. You will have a lot of downtime. Take classes. There are always new tools and tips you can learn. Go visit condo buildings in your area. Stop into the management office and ask them about the building. My advice is to show up with donuts. If you want, find a vacant listing in the building, contact the listing agent, and tell them you need to preview it for a client. Chances are there will be a lockbox with a key. You want to make sure that if someone calls you and asks you about the building, you will have the answers. Go visit new developments in your area. Go to the sales office, identify yourself as a realtor, and ask them about the project. The main question you want to ask is, what are the rules on registering clients? You want to make sure you don't lose your commission. Once again, if someone asks you about the development, you want to have all the answers at your fingertips. Well, that's it for step 4. My name is Mark Weithorn with Showcase Websites. We have been creating websites for realtors for close to 20 years now. You can visit us at dpishowcase.com. And please remember to subscribe and like my YouTube channel to get updated videos. Thanks for listening to my 2-minute tech tip and have a great day.